We are at Valley of Fire State Park, close to Overton, Nevada. It is hot. We are definitely in the Valley of Fire. Got tons of water. On the way here, we went to a Walmart. We stocked up on 14 gallons of water. Cooling towels, definitely necessary. Air conditioning the whole way here. And we are, here's a little trail. We're gonna go see Elephant Rock. We're gonna super quick go up here and out to Elephant Rock. It's a quarter-mile round trip. Okay, so this is Elephant Rock. Supposed to stay off Elephant Rock. Not sure I see any particular part that looks like an elephant. Yeah.
The trunk.
Whole part right there, maybe. Yeah, I'm not sure what's.
Right,
oh wait, how about this big one right here?
Yeah, that one.
The head over here.
Yes, with the trunk.
Okay. All right, I kind of see that. Kind of see an elephant up in there. A nice visitor center here at Valley of Fire. I guess you've lost a lot of good people when you gotta put a sign like this up. Kids made petroglyphs here in the visitor center with their names on it. So we're here at the visitor center, which is very nice, and what I wanted to do this afternoon was drive up this road past Mouse's Tank and everything and get to the star attraction here, the Fire Wave. It's a 1.5 miles in and out. First part is sandy. There's no shade on the trail whatsoever, and you know, I was tempted to like wait till later or even try it first thing tomorrow morning, until I talked to a ranger, and he said they already made a rescue out there today. And he also said that he tried to go on a hike today at 3:30 in the morning, and it was already 90 degrees. So my wife came in and heard the last part of all of that, and you know, so we're probably not going to do Fire Wave, unfortunately. But this is unprecedented heat even for this desert right now. So kind of disappointed at that, but it's a long trip, got to survive. We're going to actually take this road up and drive through a lot of these that we'll be able to see nice views and turn on this Fire Canyon Road to see some good stuff too. So right now I'm pretty much doing this as a driving tour because of the heat. So we're heading into the loop so we can see Untitled Rock and Arch Rock, and it's a campground out here for crazy people, I guess.
Here's the stairs that they have. You can climb the stairs.
Yeah, we need the stairs.
So, dump station.
For Untitled Rock. Yeah, no, we don't need to dump anything here that I know of. Here we are coming up to Untitled Rock. There are stairs up to that midsection there. Don't know what's up there, but we're gonna go. 85 steps to the top, and you're on this viewing platform Quite literally under a lot of rock. But here's the deal. Petroglyphs. Last look at Ilya Rock and the fire in the sky that is absolutely scorching this desert. We're gonna keep driving around the scenic loop here. There's more to see. Hope we don't melt. Around here a little more. We have Arch Rock. By the time we're done with this trip, the kids are going to be so done with arches. This is a tiny one compared to some we'll be seeing.
Come on, Maddie, help us get to 20. Can we get to 20 arches?
16.
Woohoo!
Oh, no, it was
Oh, right here too.
It looked like it was a hole in it, but there was like a little tiny bit poking
Yeah.
that I could see through.
I just found one there, 17. Oh, one right there, 18.
Alright, so this is a section called the Beehives. This is right off the scenic loop ended and we got back on the main road going out. And it's these ridged, swirly rocks here called the Beehives. You can go in one down here. I think you can go off on a hiking loop here, but again, it's all so exposed. It's so hot. My watch right now, if I can't even see it, it's so bright, 112 degrees. Going up the White Domes Road now. This is going north, up through the heart of Valley of Fire. Probably a lot of air conditioning noise, but we can't help it. It's hot out here. This is a trailhead to the Mouse's Tank area, but it is, yeah, it's hot. I figure if I came up to this ridge, I might be able to see something, but not really. So we'll continue on. It's not like me to pass up a trailhead, especially one that is only a 1 mile round trip. But if I mention it's hot out, I mean a different breed of hot. Server yesterday at Margaritaville told me that she's, you know, Vegas lifer, born and bred, always lived in Vegas. She said it was hot. Like, that tells me, you know, everything I need to know. You know, she's 30 something probably. And man, like, I think this sign, even on a good day, it's a hot walk out here. I'm sure it's stunning. Right up the road though, there's another fire road, I believe it's called, that you can drive out to a vista, and it doesn't look too far from here. And I think that we'll be able to see like back this way and maybe see what Rainbow Vista is all about from that drive. So it is just, lips are dry just from walking outside here. It's dry, hot air. It's breezy, but it's just blowing hot air into your eyeballs out here. But what a view out here. This is the backside, like across the road from where the Rainbow Vista Trail. It is. Came up this road here, heading north. And we'll keep going up the road here. Crazy, some of the things that the palette changes just like that, and sometimes on the same formation. Right here, this rock is just split between the chocolate brown and vanilla, basically. So this is a fire canyon area, and it's just crazy how you have like three separate, you've got this light colored stone here, then the red fire, and in the background like a greenish, smoother mountains. It's crazy. And then there's canyon-like action down here. I just walked a short distance to the right, and then here you can see down into the canyon. You know, being a Pennsylvania guy, I mean, this is just alien. It's an absolute alien landscape. On the Google map, there's something out there. One of these features is actually referred to as Captain Kirk's grave, and it makes sense. I mean, this is complete alien terrain. You know, film a movie out here. This is a desolate, ridiculously, you know, alien environment. Especially to somebody from green Pennsylvania. Green forested Pennsylvania used to be 98% forest when it was settled. You know, so this is just so alien to me. Colors out here are amazing. It's almost airbrushed yellows and greens and reds and oranges. Fire wave, smooth looking. Oh gosh, so much sun glare, you probably can't even see, but the trail goes that way. Oh my god, you can almost see the swirls already. A little bit here on this rock straight ahead, there's kind of a swirl through it. Yeah, this is sand. This is the first part of the trail here is also, like the ranger warned me, complete sand, so you're like trudging through it. But yeah, that rock out there is a little example of the colors. I did just ask the family if they just wanted to wait in the air-conditioned car for me here. I could go out and back, mile and a half. I could be back in 40 minutes, but I got denied. And it's Father's Day too. What's up with that? Anyway, I'm gonna try and escape early before the sun rises and get out here. We'll see how that goes over. So these are the Seven Sisters in Valley of Fire. Rock formation right before the visitor center when you come through the park. Bet they have names and such.
I see a face on that one. Like, it's better from far away though.
Okay. See some faces, but A lot of picnic areas here between the sisters and such, but I think it's going to do it from Valley of Fire. It was pretty hot. You know, we'll regret not being able to do one or two of the hikes, but just by driving around you can see a lot here. So if it is very hot, be safe and see what you can from the car. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe. See you next time.